the chapter number 1, that is about numbers. In mathematics you have learned about numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are called numbers. So now we are going to start chapter 1, that is about numbers. First part, write the numerals, write the number names. So chapter number 1, numbers. Numbers. So first part first, write numerals, write the number names, write the number names. So here numerals are given, and you have to write their number names like this. These are called numerals. 14, then 26, then 32, 20, next 16. These are called numerals and you have to write number names here. First 14, you have the spelling of 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Then 26, right here 26, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Then 6, S-I-X. Then 32, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Then write 2, T-W-O. Then next is 20, right here 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Then next is 16, right here 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. You have to learn their spelling also. So these are number names. Next second part, write the numerals. Then number names are given and you have to write numerals here. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Here number names are given and here you have to write the numerals. Number names are given. First number name is 18. Then 14. Then next number is 18. No. Next number is 15. Next number like 11. So now you have to write the numerals here in numbers. First 18, how we can write 1, 8, 18. Then next 14, we will write 14, 1, 4, 14. Then 15, we have to write 1, 5, 15. Then 11, 1, 1, 11. These are called numerals or these are number names. So next third part, third, write that one number is given, you have to write the number that comes before that number. So which number comes before one number is given here. One number is given and you have to write the number that comes before that number like this. 46 is given. Then in second 32. Then in third 14. Then fourth 16. So these numbers are given and you have to write the number that comes before these numbers like this. 46, which number comes before 46? 45. Give me answer, students. Which number comes before 46? 45. Then 32. 31. Then 14. Which number comes before 14? 13. Right here 13. Then 16. Which number comes before 16? 15. Then next part 4. Which number comes after? Okay, one number is given and you have to write which number comes after that number. So first, here is 56, then 47, then third 10, fourth sum 12. So you have to write next number 56. Next number, which number will come? 57. Then 47. Next number is 48. Then 10. Which number comes after 10? 11. You have to write 11 here. Then next number is 13. So like this you have to solve these parts, 3 or 4 parts on your book or copy. Then next, fifth part. Which number comes between? Fifth part, which number comes between? So first is two numbers are given and you have to write this center number. First number is 12, then center number is here blank is given, then next number is 14. Then second sum 14, 16. Then third 20, then 22. Then fourth sum 52, then 54. So now we have to write the center number. Two numbers are given and you have to find out this number. First number is 12. What comes after 12? 13. So write here 13. Then 14. 14 is written here. Then 14. Next sum 14 is given. Then next number is 15. Then third sum 20. Next number after 20 is 21. Then fourth 52. Next number after 52 is 53. So you have to solve this exercise also. Next part 6. Write here center number is given and you have to write the number before, that comes before and that comes after. Okay. Then here you have to center number is given like this 84 and here also blank and here also blank. Which comes before 84 and which number comes before 84? After 84 you have to write, find out and write. Which number comes before 84? Tell me. 83. Right here 83. Then which number comes after 84? 85. Next second like 20. So here also blank and here also blank. Now which number comes before 20? 19. 19. Then next number is 21. Next one more example like here 15. Which number comes before 15? Give me answer, students. Which number comes before 15? 14. So next number is after 15 is 16. So next part is 7 part. 7th part. You have to circle the smallest number. Circle smallest number. have to circle the smallest number. Sums are given on your book. So first is 84, then 86, 87, then 29. Second sum is 44, 94, 83, then 73. Then third sum 76, 85, 75, 49. Then fourth sum 81, 92, 27, 37. Here you have find out the smallest number and circle that number. Now look at the first sum. Here 84 is smallest number? No. 86? No. Then 37? No. Which number is smallest? 29. So circle 29 here. 29 is smallest from these numbers. So circle 29. Then in the second sum, which number is smallest? Look at and tell me. Which number is smallest? 44. Now circle 44. Then in third sum, which number is smallest? 49. Then fourth number is smallest? 27. So like this you have to circle on your book. Then second, eighth part and first sum. Circle greatest number. You have to circle the greatest number here. First sum is 88, then 43, then 76, then 84. Then second 46, 47, 51, 45. Then third 56, 52, 84, 77. Fourth sum is 96, 88, 75 and 65. In these numbers, in these sums you have to circle the greatest number. So which number is greatest here? Which number is greatest? 43 is greatest number? No. So 88 here is greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Then second sum, which number is greatest? 46, 47, 51, 45. Here 51 is greatest number. Then in third sum, look at which number is greatest? 84. Then in fourth sum, which number is greatest? 96. So circle these numbers. Then next, last part, ninth part. Here signs are given. Last ninth part, signs are given. You have to draw correct sign like this. Lesser sign, greater sign, lesser sign, then equal sign. So these signs are given. You have to draw the correct one sign here. Now first sum is 17 and 17. Both are equal. Here is also 17 and here also 17. So which sign will come? Equal sign. Equal sign. You have to draw equal sign here. Then in the second sum, 26, then box, then 32. Which number is greatest? 26 or 32? 32. Which number is greatest? 32. So draw here greatest sign. Open mouth towards the greatest number. Okay. Open mouth towards the greatest number. So draw these signs. Then next sum is 47 or 40. Which number is greatest here? 47 or 40? 47. So draw sign this. Open mouth towards the greatest number and this peak towards the smallest number. Then fourth. Then 32, box 32. These both numbers are equal again. So draw here equal sign. Then next fifth sum. Again 16, box 18. So which number is greatest? 16 or 18? 18. So draw greatest sign. Open mouth towards the greatest number. So like this you have to solve all these sums on your book and then also on your notebook. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.